Good morning, children. This is Shashashi here, and today we are going to discuss exercise 3F. Okay, 3A already we have discussed, and exercise 3F we are going to discuss. Before coming to the questions, let us discuss first few concept regarding this which will be needed to you. Okay, now if I have to write a round off, suppose 1.687 is given here. Got it? And you have to round it up to two decimal places. Two decimal places. Got it? Two decimal places. So we have to see up to we have to round. It is after decimal, three digits are there after decimal, but we have to round up to two digit only. Okay, so it is given 1.687. Now 687 we have to round up to 2 only. So now look at here, 87, this one is given. So the third digit, this third digit is greater than 5 or 5, then will take it, this 8 will take one digit more, it will become 1.69. okay, if instead of 1.687 it will be 1.684. okay, so this third digit is less than 5. okay, so what we have to do, we have to round off this one as what, 1 point, how much, 1.68 only. We don't have to increase this one, but the last digit, if it will be more than 5 or more than 5, then we'll round off this one 68 as 1.69. okay, so to round off up to 1.549 it is given. okay, this one 4, last digit is 9, 49. so it will become what, 1.5, and this 49 will become what, 50, that is 1.55 only. okay, if we'll take 1.782, got it, then last digit is 2, so we'll leave up to here only, 1.78. if instead of this 2, there will be suppose 8, then what we'll do, this rounding off up to two decimal places, it will become what, 1.7, instead of 8 it will become 9. why? Because this last digit is more than 5. okay, so one digit will increase in rounding off. So rounding up to two digit, we need 3 digit after the decimal. After the decimal we need 3 digit. okay, now one more thing what we have to discuss, that till now we have seen finding the square root of suppose 184 like this. Then how we were finding 184, two digit pair, then single digit pair, then we were finding like this. got it? Now if there will be 1.89, now what we have to do, from left side right side we have to take two digit, then after decimal one digit is there. Suppose 25.65 is there, then what we have to do, two digit will take right side two digit, again after decimal two digit, 2 we have to always take in 2 pair. okay, 2 pair. now suppose if there will be 25.6, only 6 after decimal, only one digit is there. So what we have to do, we'll take one extra 0 we can take here. got it? Then now we can take into 2 pair, and this is already in 2 digits of pair. okay, suppose there will be only, suppose 2.789. okay, now what we have to do, we have to take 2 pair, isn't it, 2 pair, but here only one digit is there, so one more digit here will take 0 and will make it 2 digit there. Okay, now division all of you know, and finding the square root by division method all of you have come to know. Now suppose we have to find the square root of 1.69, square root of 1.69, then how we'll find? So what we have to do, 1.69 will take. Now we have to make pair of two digit, after decimal one digit. Okay, after decimal one digit is there, then take only one digit left side. Okay, now this 1 here, it is 1 only, so what we have to do, we have to take only 1 into 1 will get 1. Okay, 1 into 1, how much will get? Will get 1 only. Now this 1 minus 1, 0 will get. Now you can see here decimal is there, so already this 1 into 1, in right side also we'll have to take 1. Now here decimal is there. To bring these two digits down, what we have to do, we have to put here decimal. Okay, we have to put here decimal. Got it? So we'll put here, it's not coming properly, just wait. So we'll have to put here decimal, so we are putting here decimal. Now this 69 will come down here. Now this 1 and 1 will add it will become 1 plus 1, 2. Now which number we should take? So that it will become 69. Here we have got how much? Here we have got 69. So in this place, what number we should take? Same number we have to multiply. If we are taking 1, then we have to multiply by 1. If we are taking 2, then we have to multiply by 2. If we are taking 3, then we have to multiply by 3 only. With the same, if we are taking any number, then we have to multiply with the same number. Okay, so which number we should take? Last digit is 9. So in which number comes 9? By multiplying same number. Suppose if we'll take 2, so 2 2s are 4, last digit comes 4. If we'll take 3 3s are 9, last digit comes 9. So we can try here for 3. So 3 we are taking, then again we'll take here 3. Now this 3 we are taking, so at right side also we'll take 3. Okay, now 3 3s are 9, and again this 3 2s are 6, 69 we are getting, so got cancelled. Now in right side, what answer we are getting? In right side, first of all we got 1, then decimal, then 3, so 1.3 we are getting. So what we can write? 1.69, square root of 1.69, how much we are getting? 1.3. Okay, now come to the another question. What is given here? This question, look at here, question number 6 I am going to solve for you. Question number 6. Okay, this question 10.0489. okay, this number I am going to solve for you. So what is the question? 10.0, what is the question? I forgot. This is the question. 10.0489. 10.0489. Now after decimal, is it there? All the digits are there in pair. Yes, this one 2 digit, again 2 digit, they are in pair, and before the decimal also it is in pair. Okay, so we can do the process now. Now here 10 is there. You can see here what is there? 10 is there. So which number we should take? So that we'll get either equal to 10 by multiplying same number. We'll get either equal to 10 or less than 10. So we can take 3. 3 3 is a 9. Okay. So we'll take here 3. So 3 3 is a 9. So we are writing here 9, and at right side also we have to write 3. Okay. Now this 10 minus 9, how much will get? 1. Now this 3 and 3, this 3 and 3 will add, how much will get? 3 plus 3 will get 6. Okay. Now after 10 decimal is there, you can see here. So we'll put here what? At right side we'll put a decimal. Okay, so we have given decimal. Now after putting decimal, this 04 will come down. So we'll write here 04. Okay. Now which number we should take? Which number we should take? Either we should take 1 or here we should take 2. If we'll take 2 times, then 2 2s are 4 and 2 6 is 12. We are getting more than 104. So we cannot take 2 times. So we'll have to take what? Only 1 times we'll have to take. So we'll have to take only 1 times. In 2 times we are getting greater than 104. So we are taking only 1 time. So 61 into 1, how much will get? 61 only. Now subtract it. How much will get? After subtracting, 4 minus 1, you'll get here 3. 10 minus 6, you'll get here 4. Okay. Now after this, you have to add this part. 61 plus 1, how much will get? 62. So here we are getting 62. Got it? Now like your division, this 8 9 will come down. Okay. So this 8 9 will come down in pairs. In finding the square root, pairs of number comes down. So already you know. Okay. Now here, what number we should take here? Should we take 1 times? It will be very less. Should we take 2 times? It will be also very less. So what number we should take? So what number we should take? So if we'll take here 1 digit already will take, then so you can see here that last digit is what? 9. So can we take 3 times? If we'll take 3 times, 3 3 is a 9, 3 2 is a 6, 3 6 is a 18. It is coming very less, isn't it? It is 4000 and this one is 1800, coming very less. So what other number can we take so that last digit will be 9? So 7 times, 7 7 is 49 we get or not? Last digit is 9. So we can try for 7. Okay. So we'll take 7 and see whether it is coming or not. So we'll take here which number? 7. 7 7 0. So 7 7 is 49, 4 carried. 7 2 is 14 and 7 2 is 14 and 4 18, 1 carried. Then 7 6 is 42 and 1 43. Are we getting the same thing? Yes, and it is getting cancelled. So how much we have got? Yes, 7 also we need to write. So finally what we are getting? Square root of 10.0489, square root of this number, how much we are getting? We are getting 3.17. Okay, so this is your answer. So this way it's like division only, isn't it? Like division, decimal division you do. Same way, if you know to find the square root by division method, long division method, then finding the point, square root of point numbers also you can find it. Got it? Now come to this question, question number 9. Evaluate root 3 evaluate root 3 up to 2 places of decimal. Root 3 we have to evaluate up to 3 decimal of place. Okay, so what we have to do, root 3 means we have to find the square root of 3, but 3, so what we have to do, 3 we have to find the square root. So after decimal we have to find how much, 2 decimal places. So there should be, for one after decimal, for one digit we have to give 20, again for one digit we have to give 2 digit, again for one decimal digit after one decimal we have to give 2 digit. Okay, so after decimal for these two pairs of 0 we'll get 1 digit, any digit. Again for these two pairs of 0 again we can get any digit, suppose 7, 8, anything. Again for this digit suppose you'll get 4. Okay, so suppose you are getting 1.174. now suppose you are getting this one, then answer what you'll write, 1.1, you'll write here 7 or 8. In the last digit 4 is there, less than 5, so you'll write 1.17 only. Suppose instead of 4 here, if you would have got 8 here, then this instead of 7 you are supposed to write 8, 1.18. okay, now we'll see how to find out root 3. okay, so we have to write this part 3 and 0.20. for this 20, one digit will get after the decimal, again 20, for this 2 digit one more digit will get, again 2 digit. So this 20 20 20 we are writing in pair, and this 3 can be written as what, 3.000, as many number we can give. So we have taken how many 0, 6 0. Why? 2 pairs 0 will get 1 digit. For 2 digit of pair we get 1 digit. Okay, now we'll solve this part. Now here number is 3, so which number we should take, 1 or 2? If we'll take 2 to the 4, it will be greater than 3, so we have to take 1 only. 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1 will get. Now 3 minus 1, how much will get, 2. Okay, now since here decimal is there, so what we have to do, we have to put here decimal. We'll have to put here decimal. Then these two, it will come down, these 20 will come down. Okay, so these 20 will come down. Now this 1 plus 1 in the left side, how much will get, 2. Now this 2, how many times we should take, so we should get less than 200 or equal to 200, so we'll take 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, how many times we'll take. So we'll see here, we can take 9 times, then it will be greater. So if we'll take 5 times, then 25 5s are 125 will get. We are getting very less, so better to take more. Suppose 7 times I am taking, 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, and 4 18, 189. We are getting close to 200, so better to take 7 times only. So we'll write here also 7. Now 200 minus 189, how much will get here? We'll get here 10 minus 9 1, again 10 minus 8, 9 minus 8 1, 11. Now this 27 and 7 will add, how much will get, 34. Okay, now after this 20, it's the turn of next 20. This 20 will come down, so we are writing here 20. Okay, now here this left side, which number we should take here, same which number we should take. So 300 it is almost 300. One more digit, if we'll take any digit, suppose 1, 341. 1 times 340, if we'll take 2, it will become 342 into 2. If we'll take 3, then 343 into 3. Can you see 300 something into 300, 900, we'll get close to this. This is 1100, and if we'll take 3 times, then we'll get close to 900. Okay, so we should take, better to take 3 times. So we'll take here 3 times. Okay, so I have taken 3. 3 is there. So here also we'll have to write 3 times. Okay, now 3 3 is 9, then 3 4 is 12, 1 carried, 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. This much we are getting. So 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 2 7, and this side 0 0. Now we have to add this one. 343 plus 3, how much will get? 346. Now whose turn to come down? Just look at here. These 2 pairs already we have got down. Now it's turn for this last 2 0. Okay, so this last 2 0 will come down. 0 and 0. Now how much we are getting? 7100. And here if we'll take here any digit, here if we'll take any digit 1 times, then it will be same number. 3461 into 1 will get same number. 2 times if we'll take 3000 to the 6000, means it will be closer to 7000, isn't it? If we'll take 3, then 3000 into 3, it will automatically will become more than 9000, which will be more than 7100. So we cannot take 3 times. So which number we should take? Better to take 2 times, so that we'll get less than 7100. So we'll take 2 times. 2 times 2 into 2. Okay, so 2 2s are, how much will get here? 4. Then 2 6s are 12. Then 2 4s are 8, and 1 9, and 2 3s are 6. So 6924 we are getting. 10 minus 4 6, and 9 minus 2 7, and here we'll get how much? Whatever. 9 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 2 7, 10 minus 9 1 will get here. Okay, and here will get 0. So this is your final remainder here. Now should we go more? No. Okay, last digit what we have taken here? This one, this 2 and 2 we have taken. So this one also we need to write here, 1.732. So root 3 value, how much we have got? 1.732. Okay, now we have to round off this one as how much? We have to round off after decimal. This is your decimal, 1.73. We have to round off up to 2 decimal place. So 1.73, will it become 4? No, because last digit after 3 it is 2, less than 5. So it will become 3 only. So 1.73. Okay, so what is the value of root 3? Is equal to 1.73. Got it? So this is your answer. So in the same way you can find question number 10. Evaluate 2.8, square root 2.8, correct up to 2 places of decimal. So after decimal up to 3 places you'll take, and you'll have to round it off up to 2 decimal place. Same thing, 0.9, correct up to 2 decimal of places. Okay, so you can do rest of the questions, you can try of exercise 3F. Okay, next day we'll do exercise 3D. Thank you. Have a nice day.